Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to order from the Shein app. The process is really easy. I'll get straight to the point. Before that, if you haven't installed the Shein app already, then go ahead and do that first. Now open the app on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. As you can see on the screen, you'll see many items on the home page. You can also search for the items that you want to buy using the search icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you find the item that you want to order, you'll simply have to tap it open. Once you tap on the product, you'll see this kind of screen. Here you'll have to tap on the add to bag option at the bottom of the page. After you do that, tap on the shopping bag icon at the top right corner of the screen. It is right beside the search bar. When you do that, you'll see all of the products added to cart. Now on this page, you'll have to tap on the checkout option at the bottom right corner of the screen. After you do that, you'll be directed to this page and here you'll have to enter your information. That is your name, your shipping address and your phone number. So as shown on the screen, you'll have to enter each and every information. Address line 1, state, city, postal code and everything asked. I won't be entering my information for this video, but after you're done entering all your information, you'll have to tap on save. Then you'll be directed to another page where you'll have to enter your payment details, credit card or whichever processor you're using. Once you do that, the order will be placed and the products will be delivered to your shipping address. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.